Started my day downtown and thought this building looked kinda neat. Grabbed a slice of pizza for lunch, forgot to take a picture, probably look like that. Don't buy cheap turntables, they'll scratch your records. Looking at you, Crosley. Look, some neon. Wow. Had a few minutes between jobs, so why not go beat on some drums? Fun fact, first song I performed on stage in 2003 was Wipeout. I love capturing all these old buildings that'll probably disappear soon. Looking for free art? Walk around the sidewalk sheds. They're full of it. Shout out to Joe from the Red Wing Heritage Store for telling me about Dave's. They've got pairs of Levi's for $50. Unheard of in the Big Apple. Ooh, maybe I'll buy these. Just kidding, Joe hooked me up. Shout out, Joe. One of my favorite things about New York is seeing all the new junk stores inside of cool old buildings. Look at that jacket. A church. A mall in a church. You know what really grinds my gears? When people stop in the sidewalk to take pictures. Look at the dog. Oh look, one of the fanciest Home Depots you'll probably ever see. Needed this one lock, sold out in the time it took me to walk here. Great. Wow. Wow again. Wow, a third time. Oh, some kid lost his toy. Dogging it back at Home Depot. Oh, you have a good day too. Even Home Depot is under construction. Look at his little butt. Trotting along. Abandoned church gets 2 stars. Too much water, Mahoro says. With all the options of pizza, who the heck is choosing Domino's? Alright, let's hop on the 1 train and head uptown. Always tip the musicians if you record them. Only fair. Reviews of the Romantic Depot. Mabel says erotic. Jeff says left with a pain in my rear. Lydia says don't be shy, stop by. Should say stop on by. Don't be shy, stop on by. What is this? This is the most confusing buzzer system I have ever seen. There it is. Here I am at a repeat client of mine. She was one of the first people to hire me in New York. The site supervisor always keeps an eye on me. Step 1, lay out all the parts, tools, screws, and things. Step 2, put it together.
It's just that easy.
Or just hire me. Alright, follow me to the next one. Let's go down this street. It's so quiet. I like that. Look at this lion. My partner Brittany and I have always dreamed about owning an old church and turning it into some kind of art space, home, gallery, music venue. $12 million. Just keep hiring me for work and maybe one day I can afford it. No, I can't afford it. Who am I kidding? Fun fact, if you walk down Hamilton Terrace from 141st and make that one little left at the end, you'll run into the Royal Tenenbaums mansion. You can even rent it on Airbnb. Don't forget to bring your butler. Here's the shot where they wreck the car into the front stoop. If you turn right around, you'll see Hamilton Grange.
Yes, it's not easy being green, but we'll show you green lunches. Also at moving day for New York City Landmark, the building you did see moving down the street that actually happened. It wasn't the night before. It moved down the street. After 200 years, a historic Harlem house has a new home. The National Park Service moved the former home of Alexander Hamilton. He's not around to see it, but from 141st Street at Convent Avenue, 1 block away to St. Nicholas Park. The delicate journey needed a massive dolly. Not Dolly Parton. It took 3 years, or 3 hours actually, to make the trip.
Preservation and perseverance. Inch by inch.
That's what she said.
Alexander Hamilton's house slowly made its way from 141st Street and Convent Avenue to its new home just around the corner at St. Nicholas Park.
Back to work. Thanks to a water leak and a plumber who doesn't know how to patch holes, I got more work. This is what it looks like between your ceiling and the next floor above you in most New York brownstones. Back to work. Yellow. Luckily, he left the cut piece. So I just grabbed an old piece of flooring, screwed it to the back side of both pieces, puzzling them back together. You're gonna slide the piece of wood in place. Ta-da! Added a screw. Tightened it back down. Forgot the second screw, added the second screw. Couldn't quite figure out how to remove this light fixture, so I used a reflection in my tool. Only to figure out the bulb itself is what holds the fixture on. Thanks to the leaky water, the bulb got rusty and didn't quite want to work. Gotta scrape off all the loose paper from the drywall. Grab your quick mud, this 20-minute. Technically, I should have added the water first, but I guess I probably didn't have my coffee that day. Now mix it up until it's like a peanut butter-esque consistency.
It's peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time.
Keep on mixing. Once you're done mixing, let it sit for about a minute or two to start setting up. And then just slather it all on. First coat doesn't matter too much. Just trying to get a base layer going. Cover all the cracks. Take a bigger blade if you have one and slowly smooth it all out. Wait a few minutes, let it dry, get yourself a new batch of mud, slather that on. Work it around until you're happy and everything looks nice and mostly smooth. Once it's dry, you can usually use a blade to knock all the high ridges off. Clean up your mess. Come back another day once everything's set up for the sanding and the painting. Quick tip, if you spill a little mud, let it dry a little bit and it comes off way easier. Doesn't smudge. Slap my knee and call me Charlie, look at that patch. Need some sanding. Tune in next time for the update. I also pride myself in leaving places cleaner than when I arrived. letting me come in your house to do work, I'm gonna leave it cleaner than when I started. Thanks to the drippy water, some rust residue left on the fixture, nothing a little elbow grease can't take care of. And nice and clean. Right back up until I can come back to finish the patch. Get to walk home through St. Nicholas Park behind Hamilton Grange. Getting to pass City College, which was founded in 1847, known for its liberal arts and engineering programs. St. Nicholas Park was created in 1895 and was named after St. Nicholas, the patron saint of Amsterdam. It's a whopping 23 acres and has a dog park, basketball courts, places to grill, great places to sled, and black squirrels. I didn't know these existed until I moved to New York. They're everywhere up here.